Hello pipe community, I'm Leo and the channel is Lutrasaurus. And according to the ancient and honorable tradition, show you the pipe. This is that Rocca pipe I was gifted by Hugh Herfer in my last video. Italia, and it says also Barolo. Alright, so got the pipe, and in it I have the 2017 Syrian Latakia given to me also by the Herfers. I need a lighter though. It's a good thing I got this. This is a custom lighter I had made. Let's see if I can do this without. Eric Sotelo. I will put his Etsy page in. He's one of the contestants in the Cobfullery contest. He did two pipes, two cool pipes. One was a fox skull that was engraved, and the other one is he took an actual Aristocob pipe and hand engraved it. And I've been following him on Instagram. I'll put all his information down in the doobly-doo. And I haven't seen this yet, so I'm excited. Alright, he's like me. He likes to wrap things well. That's good. Alright. Oh, you even put it back in the Zippo case. Excellent. Are you ready? You're going to see that at the same time I do. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ho, ho, ho. Hand engraved. That is so awesome. Alright, I don't have to speed this up. We're going to... Oh, silly me. You gotta take the sticker off before I can open it. Alright. Alright, we're gonna pull out this because I'm not gonna waste time putting filling that and all. I got a Z pipe that was given me also by the Herfers a while back. It's butane. Now let's let you see that. Got it filled. I need to clean it up a bit, but that's all right. And we're gonna slap that in. And let's light the pipe. I have to admit, this is my second bowl of the Syrian. I couldn't wait to make the video. This is a good smoke. I love it. Man, I don't know how to describe it. It's mellow. It's not a harsh. It's definitely Latakia. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on your preferences. I like it. What else is there to say? So here it is one more time. I am very happy about this. Thank you, Eric. I will have all your information down in the either the description or the comments. So give him a check him out on Instagram and that. He's got some great stuff. Like I said, he's got an Etsy store. That's how I communicated with him and set this up. So have a good day or night, wherever the case may be. And I hope to see you the next time.